Wow, the crypto market had pumped huge this morning because of exactly what I've been telling you all week and the past couple of weeks would happen. I told you if we got that bullish information today, that bullish CPI, what would happen? It happened exactly as predicted. But tomorrow is going to be an even bigger day. And that's why today we got a massive pump. But that's why today was not even as big as it will potentially be tomorrow if what I say is going to happen in this video. So if you want to find out what's going to be happening to cryptocurrencies for the next couple of months, the next couple of days, the entire year, next year, the rest of this year, you need to stick around to the end of this video because it pertains to every cryptocurrency in your portfolio. So today the crypto market blasted off. Dogecoin spiked. We had Shiba Inu spike like crazy. Ethereum spiking, Bitcoin, every cryptocurrency blasted off like I said would happen. And why did that happen? Well, it happened because we got information showing that CPI or inflation is coming down very, very fast, much under expectations. And this is happening because the Fed is raising interest rates aggressively, and they've been doing so for 6 months. And we got a bullish reading. So 7.1% from 1 year ago, inflation is up 7%. But it's been coming down from 9% and so on and so forth. And this is really good because it shows that inflation is coming down, and this proves to the Fed that we don't need to be raising interest rates anymore. So this information is going to solidify the Fed's ability to pivot from raising rates aggressively, and this is going to pump the stock market. This is going to pump cryptocurrencies like crazy. I'm going to show you exactly what's happening tomorrow right now. So give this video a thumbs up and continue to watch. So tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern, we are going to see massive volatility. Even before 2 p.m., we're going to see massive volatility. And starting now, we're going to start to see a lot of crazy volatility all through the night, most likely, and all through tomorrow morning. It's going to be crazy. So at 2 p.m., we have the Fed. They are going to be making a statement. They're going to be raising interest rates. They have a press conference at 2:30. It cannot get any bigger than this. So because we've had a bullish CPI today, this is going to deter them from raising rates aggressively, most likely, and is going to steer them in the direction of being dovish, which is going to be good for cryptos, which means that they can chill out with raising rates. Now, they are projected to raise interest rates to 50 basis points for this session here in December. If they raise the rates to 50 basis points or even lower, which might be some type of possibility, we will see cryptocurrencies pump beyond your greatest dreams. The reason why cryptos did not pump as much as they really would have pumped when there's a bullish CPI is because we have this whole event lingering tomorrow, and people are still unsure what the Fed is going to do, because when the Fed speaks, it pumps or crashes the market substantially. That means a very big way. So if the Fed is dovish, which means that they are going to show that they're not going to be raising rates aggressively, we are going to get a massive pump. And I believe that despite what rate they raise their rates to, that the statement is actually going to be bullish, that they're going to say something about interest rates can come down, inflation is coming down, the economy is recovering. When they start to say words like that, which they haven't iterated for many, many months, if they start to talk like that, it will pump cryptos beyond your greatest dreams. I mean, you can not even think about how big cryptos are going to pump. It's going to be massive. It's going to be very, 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 very big. Now, what if the Fed raises rates aggressively next month or this month, and they raise tomorrow 75 basis points? What will happen? Well, if we get a 75 basis points raised, we might get a dip, a correction in the market, but immediately after, the Fed is probably going to say something bullish to cancel that out, to actually even pump the market. So my understanding is that tomorrow is going to be bullish. I could be completely wrong. I've been wrong many times before, and it's just guessing at this point. But we're taking information. We're taking an analysis of the information that's already in front of us, CPI and other information, to show us that this is probably going to be the case. And I do believe that the Fed is going to raise rates to 50 basis points, or no matter what it happens tomorrow, no matter how much they raise rates, I believe the market is going to react bullishly based on this statement. This statement is what really solidifies the full move. So if the rates are very bearish, what they raise the rates to are very bearish, but this statement counteracts that by saying some type of dovish or bullish statement, we're going to see a crazy, crazy pump. And this pump will last most likely for weeks and potentially months. Because if the Fed can keep reiterating this same story of inflation is coming down, we're going to raise rates less aggressively, we're going to pivot. If that can happen, the market will pump. We will enter into a bull run. Cryptos will be back up, and things are about to get very exciting. Now, make sure you guys use this indicator. It is incredible for beginners and advanced traders. It tells you exactly when to buy and sell go over in the link in my video description is Algo Sniper. And also make sure you are following the most profitable trade alerts on the internet, where you can copy all of my exact trades as a crypto day trader over on Patreon. The link is in my video description, where we also have a massive crypto trading community. It's amazing, highly recommend it. And you need to claim your $30,000 deposit bonus over on Bybit. All you have to do is go down in the video description, deposit any amount of cryptocurrency there for the first time, and you can qualify up to $30,000 in bonuses. If you're in the US, you will need to use a VPN. I recommend putting your country in Spain. And one last thing, I have a crypto mentorship program for 1 whole year where I'm teaching people how to make money, day trading, long trading, doing all different types of trading for cryptocurrencies. If you're interested in this year program, go ahead and apply with the link in my video description. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for staying to the end. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I will see you all later.